Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to decide whether people who have your phone number or email address can find and contact you on Inter or follow you on Twitter. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device, then click on the More button in the left side column of the screen and click on Settings and Support, then tap on Settings and Privacy. Click on Privacy and Safety in the middle of the screen, then tap on Discoverability and Contacts in the right side. And here you can turn on this first option, let people who have your email address find you on Twitter. So tap onto this box if you would like to enable it, or you can also enable the second option, which is in connection with your phone number, so people who possess your phone number can find you on Twitter. If you want to manage contacts, tap on this last button and here you will be able to find the contacts imported from your mobile devices, and then you will be able to control them. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.